Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to PopWood Playback. I'm David.lyell with Popular Woodworking, and this is where you find the very best woodworking videos of the week. This week, we have a reader submitted special. So after my plea and sorrow that I had no emails the week before, I had a few this week. And so I appreciate those of you that reached out. And the first video that I wanted to share was from Lisa Albrecht. She shared the 1-minute workshop, which had a Vise Mounted Router Table. This was a brand new channel to me, and a really good case study, and I shared it with our team about a channel that has grown quickly to over 50,000 subs, and has good projects. It's only got like 32 videos on the channel, and it started like not even a year ago. So great job, good videos. In this video, he built a little mini router table and it kind of evolves into something more as he goes through it. So check this out. Next up is Casey Woodworks. Kevin submitted this video about a workbench build that he did with his son. I think this video is kind of a recut of a series that he did where he basically builds a bench for his kid that's going to college, which as a fellow dad of a son, it got me right in the feels. And so my son, Jonah, and I, we recently, like 2 nights ago, he's really sick right now, but we pumped him up full of ibuprofen and we got him in the shop and put up a little shelf, and it's cute. But anyway, I can't wait for the day that I get to build a bench with my kid. Oh, and he calls this kind of like an entry-level bench, but it's pretty legit. Like you could use this bench for a long time because it's very nicely built. So he has free plans on his site, I believe. And he has an Instructables guide that's really good as well. So check out his content. Okay, the next video is from me. We built this storage cabinet for our series called I Can Do That. Over on the Popular Woodworking channel, we have this series that is basically sort of beginner projects. We try to keep it to a limited tool set, although this one had some table saw work for all the dados and the rabbits. But we used these, Acro Mills. I'm trying to think of the name. Acro Mills containers for screws that are really nice. They snap nicely. We have some of them that are pretty loaded down, and they are rigid. They have dividers that you can put in as you see fit. And I just really like this thing, man. What are you supposed to do with these boxes? You know, in this shop, we have a lot of them. At my home shop, I also have a lot of them. And they kind of just sit in a jumble in my drawer. And, and you know what? I have another beef. Look out. This one's real bad. But we needed another yellow box for it. That's this buy box. Yeah, so one of my beefs with these boxes is that they're so hard to get these things in and out. This Craftsman one is a little bit better. They kind of redesigned this box. And it's like you can almost like angle them up and out, but some of these just kill my fingers. Oh, and they have this huge positive latch, which is nice. Anyhow, and there we go. So, it closes up for while you're working with machinery and there's a lot of dust flying around. I kind of like it open just because you don't always need it closed. Anyhow, so the video for that is over on our channel, and I'd appreciate it if you looked at it. Last up, if you can hear me, because we have a metal roof in our shop and it is raining so hard right now, is Dirty Shed Creations, which I feel like it's appropriate to talk about the rain. Oh, and now it's lightning too, because they're from England and it's always rainy there, I think. Anyway, they built something, and let me just read you the description because I barely understand it. This episode is jam-packed with processes and techniques as Uncle Al turns a 10-pound car boot sale purchase into a table lamp worth at least 20 quid. Do you hear this thunder? Anyway, I don't know what a car boot sale is. If you know what a car boot sale is, hyphenated, car boot sale. Jake, what is a car boot sale? I don't know what a car boot sale is, but Anyway, it's a classic Dirty Shed Creations video, great production, and he walks you through the trials and the errors and everything in getting this thing built. Also, I can appreciate doing finishing in your living room or your dining room, which he does at the end of the video. So anyhow, check out his video. I just want to thank you for making my week better, for emailing me when last week I said I didn't get any emails. So if you want to turn my day into a sunny day instead of a day like this, send me an email about your favorite video on YouTube that has to do with woodworking. Anyhow, I'm gonna go back to my cubicle now, really wet. Bye!